Hey everyone, today we will be discussing a health trend that's been making waves: intermittent fasting. Chances are you have heard the term, but what's all the hype really about? Could it be the key to unlocking better health for you? Stick around because over the next few minutes we are breaking down everything you need to know: what intermittent fasting is, how it works, and why it just might be a game changer for your health. Welcome back to our channel, guys, and let's jump right into the video. So what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not a diet but more of an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The key idea is simple. Instead of eating throughout the day, you condense your meals into a specific window of time. The most popular approach is the 16:8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. But there are other options as well, like the 5:2 method, where you eat normally 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake for the next 2 days. It's just about finding the right balance for your lifestyle. Now here's where it gets interesting. Why does intermittent fasting work? So basically, when you are fasting, your body doesn't have access to food for energy, so it starts burning stored fat. This is what helps people lose weight, but the benefits don't stop there. Fasting actually triggers a number of powerful changes in your body. First and foremost, fasting triggers something magical inside your body, a natural wonder, a Nobel Prize winning concept called autophagy. Auto means self and phagy refers to eat. Japanese cell biologist Yoshinori Oshumi was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his discovery of autophagy. Oshumi's work helps to identify the genes and mechanisms behind autophagy, a process by which cells break down and recycle damaged material. When you fast, your cells become devoid of energy. And if you fast long enough, the cells start looking for other avenues for food. In the process, they start hunting down the stored fats and even cancer cells sitting in your body. These cells, that are often called zombie cells, are overloaded with food and are devoid of oxygen. Zombie cells are damaged cells that have stopped dividing but are still undead. They start damaging nearby cells, turning healthy cells into a zombie cell. The zombie cells play a prominent role in promoting aging and even causing various cancers down the line, as these cells pile up rather quickly and develop into a tissue which we call tumor. When autophagy kicks in, the healthy cells start destroying these zombie cells and thereby induce a complete body cleanup or cellular overhaul. No wonder you have heard that fasting increases lifespan. Well, now you know why. We clean our houses daily anyway, but shy away from cleaning our bodies from inside at least once a week. Start fasting, people. Although it's still early to say, but autophagy is being considered to be a dominant way to help fight cancer in future, which is still one of the deadliest diseases. We all know how tough and intense conventional cancer treatments can be. Thus, autophagy's role in helping cells repair and renew themselves shows real promise as a potential future treatment option. Do you now realize how powerful fasting can be? Okay, now let's quickly break down the real benefits of intermittent fasting, backed by science. Weight loss. We just learned fasting helps to lower fat in your body. Over time, this leads to weight loss without needing to count calories constantly. Improved metabolism. Fasting has been shown to increase the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that boosts metabolism and fat burning. So you burn more calories even at rest. Better brain health. Fasting increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a hormone linked to cognitive function, learning, and memory. It could even protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Heart health. Risk factors for heart diseases such as inflammation, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure are drastically reduced. Longevity. Autophagy taught us why people live longer with fasting. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but how do I start? It's simpler than you think actually. And I'm not going to tell you to jump straight into a 16-hour fast. Start small. Try fasting for 12 hours, then gradually work your way up as your body adjusts. Here are a few tips to make intermittent fasting work for you. Ease into it. Begin with shorter fasting periods and slowly extend them. You don't want to overwhelm yourself right away. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend during fasting periods. You can also have black coffee or tea to help curb hunger without breaking your fast. Listen to your body. It's normal to feel a little hungry at first, but don't ignore your body's signals. If fasting feels unbearable, adjust your approach. Eat nutrient-rich foods. When your eating window comes around, it's crucial to fuel your body with healthy whole foods like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Now I know some of you are probably wondering, doesn't skipping meals slow down your metabolism or cause muscle loss? Well, those are some common myths. Studies show that short-term fasting can actually boost your metabolism, which we will see shortly. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body time to repair and rejuvenate. But here's the key: consistency. Like any lifestyle change, intermittent fasting works best when you stick with it. It's not an overnight fix, but over time you will start to notice the benefits: better energy, a clearer mind, and a healthier body. Intermittent fasting is actually a little relaxed approach to conventional fasting, where one goes without any food for as long as 24 hours or even more. It's a scientifically backed way to improve your health from the inside out. But before you dive in, remember that it's important to consult with your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Now when we have learned about autophagy and the blessing it offers to our body, let's take a quick look at how people on fasting are still able to maintain their energy levels and maintain enhanced metabolism. Fasting for more than 15 hours triggers the body to shift from using glucose as its primary source of energy to burning stored fat. Fats on burning break down into fatty acids and produce ketones as a byproduct. This process, known as ketosis, plays a key role in energy production during extended fasting. Ketones such as beta-hydroxybutyrate not only fuels the brain and muscles but also provide a number of health benefits. The increased fat intake due to ketosis can enhance the thermic effect of food, meaning the body burns more calories during digestion, thereby boosting metabolism. One of the major advantages of increased ketone production is improved brain function. Ketones serve as a more efficient fuel for the brain, offering greater mental clarity and focus. Research also suggests that ketosis has neuroprotective properties, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, fasting-induced ketosis can promote fat loss while still maintaining muscle mass, making it an effective strategy for weight management. Ketones also have anti-inflammatory effects, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. They help stabilize blood sugar levels by lowering insulin production, leading to a more balanced metabolic state. In a sense, fasting beyond 15 hours not only burns fat but also enhances cognitive function, reduces inflammation, and supports overall metabolic health throughout the beneficial effects of ketones. However, keep in mind that ketosis over an extended amount of time can have some side effects as well, such as headaches, upset stomach, acidity, weakness, and dehydration. That's why it's important to switch between a ketogenic diet and a regular glucose-based diet timely. A 24-hour once-a-week ketogenic approach can be life-changing for you. Now, when we know the lasting benefits of fasting, there's a certain restriction on people who should not be fasting. Pregnant women, children under 15 years, diabetes and low BP patients. Some final thoughts. Intermittent fasting is a great way to start fasting for sure, but we recommend switching to full 24-hour fasting later, obviously when your body is ready. Fasting is the greatest gift given by nature to humankind. Unfortunately, we've been brainwashed to consume foods that are extremely deteriorating for our health. Fasting once a while thus becomes even more crucial given how much unhealthy and processed food we tend to consume in our daily lives. Consider this. If your boss asked you to keep working daily for 365 days in the office, would that sound a fair proposal to you? Well, that's exactly what our digestive systems are doing since forever. So consider giving them a rest as well every once a while. Trust me, there is no better medicine than fasting. When you fast, your body heals in unimaginable ways, protecting you from so many diseases that you could not even imagine. You feel rejuvenated, you feel light, and your body thanks you for giving it the best care you can ever give. We hope you got some value and inspiration from this video. Comment down and let us know if you are ready to give it a try. Or maybe you have already started. Do share your experience on how it's working for you. We'd love to hear your story. This will inspire so many people to gain value in their lives from this video. And lastly, if you like this content, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel, where we keep sharing unfiltered opinions on ways to lead a healthier, more energetic and balanced life. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who is curious about fasting. Until then, keep fasting, stay fit, stay sharp, and we will see you in the next video.